Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Talkspace provides online therapy connecting you with licensed therapists. It offers a range of mental health services accessible through your computer or mobile device. You can communicate with your therapist via text, audio, and video messaging. Talkspace offers various subscription plans to fit different budgets and needs, some of which may include live video sessions. The platform aims to make therapy more convenient and affordable. It's designed to fit into your busy schedule, allowing you to connect with your therapist from anywhere at any time within the parameters of your chosen plan. Before signing up, you'll complete an assessment to match you with a therapist who aligns with your specific needs and preferences. Talkspace emphasizes confidentiality and security, ensuring your conversations remain private. They offer a secure platform for communication, protecting your personal information. Talkspace also provides resources and educational materials on various mental health topics. You can access these resources directly through the platform, providing additional support and information. While Talkspace can be a valuable tool for mental well-being, it's important to remember that it's not a replacement for traditional in-person therapy. It's a good option for individuals seeking convenient and accessible support, but it's crucial to consider your individual circumstances and preferences when deciding if Talkspace is the right fit for you. They also offer psychiatry services for medication management in some areas, further expanding the scope of mental health support available. It's worth exploring their website for a comprehensive understanding of the services offered and to determine if they meet your specific requirements. Be sure to research and compare different online therapy platforms before making a decision to ensure you find the best fit for your needs. This is particularly important as mental health is highly personal, and finding the right therapist and platform can greatly influence the effectiveness of the therapy. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional to discuss your options and determine the most suitable approach for your individual situation. They can provide personalized guidance and help you navigate the various options available for mental health support.